traders, welcome to my YouTube channel Agile Trading. So now let me show you today's date and time. So today is 11th of January 2021 and currently time is 10:15 AM. So traders, coming on to our today's trade, I have taken a trade in Bajaj Finance. Okay traders, and this is our trade. I have gone for the bearish side and I have sold two quantities here, and we are trying to gain here a risk reward ratio of 1:7. Let's see if the trade goes according to us or not. So traders, this is a stop loss and here is a target. Okay traders, so let this trade get completed. I will explain you the logic which I am using for this trade. So now I am pausing the video and I will update you after some time. So traders, here you can see that it's now 4 PM. Traders, I was gone outside, so I exited my trade from my mobile application, and let me tell you after that momentum, when we entered, the market became sideways, or it showed a consolidation, and you can see. But then also traders, when I exited, we got the risk reward ratio of 1.5. that is also good, and we had booked some profit also. So traders, this is that, you can see exited at here. So let me show you my profit. Okay traders, this is my terminal on which I did trade. It is stock note. So our today's total profit, which is showing it is 78 rupees. Okay traders, and you can see now quantities are 0 because we have exited our trade, and only I have taken our today's trade in Bajaj Finance. So our today's profit is 78 rupees. Now coming on to the setup. So coming on to 15-minute time frame traders, you can see here. Okay traders, so now as you can see here traders, that yesterday I uploaded on my Instagram account that this stock was in my watch list and it was making a triangle pattern over here. Okay traders, you can see. Now coming back onto the 1-minute time frame. So in the morning, what happened? The stock showed a very bearish momentum, you can see here. And what happened when in the morning it gave the breakout of this pattern here. Exactly, we entered over this candle when this large momentum came, and we entered here when the price gave breakout of this trend line of triangle, and I directly entered here with market price, and the rest you can see what happened. After this big momentum, market showed some consolidation, but then also we booked some profit, that is of 1:1.5 risk reward. That is also good. So traders, today our profit was 78 rupees, and this was our today's simple trade with a simple trading setup. So traders, hope you learned something from this video and enjoyed it. So thank you for watching the video and have a good day.